Wait, there's this bird. Meet the cassowary, the world's most dangerous bird. A giant bird from Australia and New Guinea that looks like it walked straight out of the Jurassic period. It can grow over 6 feet tall, and its call sounds like something from a dinosaur movie. Scientists believe birds evolved from dinosaurs, and the cassowary isn't helping them beat the allegations. It also has razor-sharp claws that can seriously injure predators. So if you ever meet one in the wild, would you get closer or start running?